Imagine your body has a secret superpower, a tiny cleanup crew inside you that fights sickness, keeps you strong, and even helps you live longer. Sounds amazing, right? Today we'll uncover the daily secrets of Japan's oldest, wisest doctors, real-life heroes who cracked the code to living past 100. First, meet Dr. Yoshinori Ohsumi, the Nobel Prize winner who discovered autophagy. We'll explore Dr. Takayuki Teruya's fasting tricks that boost your energy. You'll hear wisdom from Dr. Shigeki Hinohara, Japan's beloved longevity legend. Plus, learn food secrets from Dr. Yumi Ishihara, who healed prime ministers, and Dr. Hiromi Shinya's gut health breakthroughs with enzyme-rich foods. No confusing science, just simple, powerful habits you can start tomorrow. By the end, you'll know exactly how to turn on your body's superpower for a healthier, happier life. Ready to unlock your 100-year journey? Let's get started. Have you ever wondered how some people live long, healthy lives, even well into their 100? Well, part of the answer lies in something called autophagy. Autophagy is like your body's built-in cleaning crew. It helps your cells get rid of waste and damaged parts, making room for healthier, stronger cells. It's like a reset button for your body. When you fast or experience stress, autophagy becomes extra active, helping your body repair itself, stay in shape, and lower the risk of serious diseases like cancer. Dr. Yoshinori Ohsumi, a Nobel Prize-winning scientist, discovered that autophagy is essential for our cells to stay alive. Without it, we wouldn't be able to function properly. It's a natural process that helps us stay balanced and full of energy. Dr. Ohsumi championed teamwork and open sharing in science. Because of his discovery, researchers worldwide now explore autophagy. We know it's directly connected to living longer, preventing cancer, protecting your brain, and strengthening your body's defenses. So what can you do to support autophagy and live a long, healthy life? Start by making simple changes in your diet and lifestyle. Ready to flip the switch on your body's natural renewal system? Activating autophagy is simpler than you might expect. Let's explore 3 powerful habits from Japan's longevity masters, all backed by top scientists. Habit number 1. Intermittent fasting. One golden key to autophagy: giving your digestive system a meaningful break. This practice, called intermittent fasting, is quietly woven into traditional Japanese life. Many elders naturally finish dinner early and eat breakfast late, creating a 12 to 16-hour nightly repair shift for their cells. But why does this work? When you stop eating for extended periods, your body shifts gears. Instead of digesting food, it launches deep cellular maintenance. Dr. Takayuki Teruya, a brilliant Japanese researcher studying fasting's effects, reveals this isn't just about weight. His work shows fasting delivers 3 spectacular upgrades. First, metabolic reboot. Dr. Teruya discovered fasting wakes up your metabolism. It triggers your cells to produce natural energy boosters and powerful defenders. Think of it like giving your body's engine a full tune-up while it rests. Second, antioxidant surge. His research proves fasting ramps up your internal defense team, antioxidants. These heroes neutralize harmful particles called free radicals, shielding your body from damage linked to many diseases. Third, aging slowdown effect. Dr. Teruya found fasting may gently slow aspects of aging. By activating special repair pathways, it helps cells fix themselves, potentially adding years to your life. Dr. Teruya champions fasting as a vital tool. It revitalizes your core energy systems, strengthens your natural defenses, and is a proven ally for a longer, healthier lifespan. So, how can you start? Simply stretch the time between dinner and breakfast. Aim for 12 hours at first. Maybe finish eating dinner by 7 p.m. and breakfast at 7 a.m. Your body's cleanup crew will thank you. This nightly reset is one of the simplest, most scientifically proven ways to harness autophagy. Habit number 2. Hara Hachi Bu. Here's a tiny habit with massive power. Eat until you're almost full. It's called Hara Hachi Bu, an ancient Japanese tradition meaning stop at 80%. This simple practice is a cornerstone of longevity, especially in Okinawa, a famous blue zone bursting with 100-year-olds. Think of your stomach like a gas tank. Filling it just 80% gives your body room to work. Instead of struggling with a huge meal, your cells get extra time for their vital cleanup and repair job, autophagy. Combining this light eating with our first tip, that long overnight break from food, is a powerhouse duo. It avoids overloading your system, keeping everything running smoothly. No one embodied this better than Dr. Shigeki Hinohara. He wasn't just Japan's beloved longevity doctor, he actively worked and shared wisdom until he was 105 years old. Dr. Hinohara lived by Hara Hachi Bu daily. His rules were clear. 1. Eat light meals, stopping at 80% full to avoid weight gain. 2. Limit sugar and processed foods. 3. Take the stairs, walk daily. He called this his youth elixir. 4. Keep learning, stay positive, and have fun. He famously said, "Enjoying life is the best painkiller." Dr. Hinohara believed deeply in preventing illness. While respecting medicine, he urged people not to over-rely on doctors. He taught that true health comes from daily choices, mindful eating, staying active, keeping your mind engaged, and nurturing happiness. It's pocket-sized wisdom for a century of vitality. Habit number 3. Eat foods that boost autophagy. What you choose to eat can actually supercharge a natural process called autophagy, which is like a deep cleaning for your cells. And who better to learn from than Dr. Yumi Ishihara, the personal doctor to Japan's Prime Minister and a top expert at the Ishihara Clinic in Tokyo. Dr. Ishihara believes in a special way of eating called modified fasting. Don't worry, it's not about starving yourself. Instead, it's about giving your body long breaks between meals so it can focus on its cleaning magic. Here's how it works. For breakfast, you drink freshly squeezed carrot or apple juice. These juices are gentle on your stomach and packed with nutrients that help your skin, eyes, and even your liver. They're like a soft wake-up call for your digestive system. By lunchtime, you might feel a little hungry, but instead of grabbing a sandwich, Dr. Ishihara suggests sipping on a warm cup of black tea with black sugar and ginger. This isn't just any tea, it's loaded with antioxidants that keep your heart healthy and your energy up. The black sugar adds a natural sweetness along with important minerals, and ginger works like a superhero for your digestion and immune system. For your one solid meal of the day, make it a good one. Picture a plate full of colorful veggies, seaweed, fish, and beans, just like a traditional Japanese meal. Eating plenty of plants gives your body the nutrients it needs without overwhelming it. Plus, foods like seaweed and fermented dishes, which are popular in Japan, are great for your gut and overall health. And here's a helpful tip. Eat until you're almost full, not stuffed. This practice, called Hara Hachi Bu, is a secret to living a long, healthy life. But there's more to these juices. Carrot juice is full of beta-carotene and vitamin A, which are amazing for your eyes and skin. Apple juice has antioxidants that help your body recover and stay strong. To keep your energy steady, start with a small glass of juice and wait a little before eating anything else. You can even add a handful of nuts or a bit of olive oil to slow down the sugar rush. That black tea, it's not just delicious, it's a health booster. The antioxidants in black tea support your heart, and the ginger helps reduce inflammation and keeps your blood flowing smoothly. By eating fewer solid meals, you give your body more time to clean and repair itself, which is exactly what autophagy does. So if you want to help your body stay healthy, try having fewer solid meals and focus on plant-based whole foods. Your cells will thank you. The biozyme theory of Dr. Hiromi Shinya. Dr. Hiromi Shinya is a famous gut expert from Japan and America, and he's got some awesome ideas. Dr. Shinya says we should fill our plates with fresh veggies and juicy fruits. These foods are loaded with tiny helpers called enzymes that make our bodies run smoothly and keep our stomachs smiling. He also suggests eating less meat so our bodies don't get too tired. Dr. Shinya came up with something called the Shinya biozyme theory. It's all about eating lots of plants to help our bodies clean themselves from the inside out. Plants are super easy to digest, and they don't make our insides all puffy or sore, which keeps us feeling great. He's also big on giving our tummies a break. That's where his Shinya little fast comes in. Picture this: you eat dinner early, then wait 16 hours before having a late breakfast. This rest time lets your body sweep away the junk and stay fresh, kind of like a superhero cleanup crew called Autophagy. Water's a big deal too. Dr. Shinya says to kick off your day with a few glasses of clean water. It washes out the bad stuff. He also loves Japanese sencha green tea because it's packed with healthy antioxidants that make us stronger. Here's a tip all the smart doctors agree on: skip the junk food and extra sugar. Those treats can mess up your body's cleaning system and make you sick. So stick to real yummy foods like plants and fruits. Your body will love you for it.
Our next video reveals science-backed secrets to longevity that you can't afford to miss. Hit play now. Your future self will thank you.